Controlled fire. The control of fire by early humans was a critical technology enabling the evolution of humans. Claims for the earliest definitive evidence of control of fire by Homo erectus. Fire is an essential tool, the control of which helped to start the human race on its path to civilization. The original source of the fire was probably lightning, and for generations, blazes ignited in this manner remained the only source of the fire. Initially, Peking man, who lived around 500,000 BCE, was believed to be the earliest user of fire, but evidence uncovered in Kenya in 1981, and in South Africa in 1988, suggests that the earliest controlled use of fire by hominids dates from about 1,420,000 years ago. Fires were kept alive permanently because of the difficulty of reigniting them, being allowed to burn by day and damp down at night. Flint struck against parites or friction methods were the most widespread methods of producing fire among primitive people. The first human beings to control fire used it to keep warm, cook their food, and ward off predators. It also enabled them to survive in regions previously too cold for human habitation. They also used it in fire drives to force animals or enemies out of hiding. The controlled fire was important in clearing forests for roadways, grasslands for grazing, and agricultural lands, uncontrolled. The fire destroyed the potential of the soil. Mastering fire also opened up the possibilities of smelting metals, enabling humankind to escape the limitations of the Stone Age.